The final role I will be talking about is a motivator. This can be defined as a person who inspires players to focus, concentrate, and have high energy. As with any other role, there are both positives and negatives. My first positive is raising self-esteem. This could occur if the motivator is making a high jumper feel more confident, meaning they may have an increased height on their jump. My second positive is overcoming setbacks. For example, if a netball team has suffered a huge loss, a motivator could be able to raise the morale of the team. My third and final positive is mental preparation. For example, a team huddle before a rugby game could help the players concentrate. There are also negatives to the position. For example, saying to a sprinter, "You did well," after a race, where they have not worked to a standard or have a massive loss, could cause to believe they are not good enough, demotivating them and maybe causing them to quit. My second negative is the motivator being a last resort, meaning if they are unable to help the player or players, they may fall off. For example, a basketball team's score difference widening, as they are not able to pick up where they left off. My third and final negative is being unable to understand players. For example, if the motivator tries hard to cheer a player up, it could make them feel more upset or annoyed, as they know they haven't performed to a certain standard.